Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for the comment section. And with all that being said, we're just going to take a quick look at Verasity then on our daily time frame. Again, as we can see here, finally broken down from our 023 Fibonacci. We've got the Fibonacci pulled from the bull market high up here, although for some reason this I always seem to have this being moved. It just moves of its own accord slightly, I think. But anyway, as you can see, we've finally broken down from that area of support at the 023 Fibonacci there. We've come down to that next swing low area as support. And really looking like, Verasity is looking very bearish now and about to fall off a cliff, as most people would think. But in my opinion, I do think we're going to see very little downside from here, in my opinion. A lot of the whales that I've been looking at in terms of wallets have basically been shaken out in these recent moves and moved on to other cryptos. I've actually been watching a particular wallet which had about, 300,000 Verasity in dollars at this level here, and they have been just continuously selling in this area for a long, basically for the past week or two, which I think is interesting. I think a lot of people are just starting to get bored and annoyed, which I think is bullish in my opinion, getting these big holders out that would just dump their bags on you as it was heading up here and stifle the price action. Overall, I think Verasity still very much in its bear market accumulation here. As you can see, we've pretty much got a range looking like this, and we have these deviations to the high and the low, but really just consolidating, and now at a really nice tasty entry point in my opinion. Obviously, if Bitcoin has a big decline, we could see ourselves coming down and testing this swing low down here again at around that 1/5 of a cent level. But my goodness me, these entries would be absolutely ridiculous, to be fair. I never thought we'd actually get to see another entry like that for Verasity, but in my opinion, a very nice risk to reward ratio that I'd be taking personally. And as we can see, in reality, all we've been doing is we're still just going sideways, aren't we? And I think a lot of people have skewed their expectations of Verasity with all the meme coin euphoria that we've been seeing recently. Obviously, meme coins, if you pick the right one, you can get a cheeky 1000x in like 2 days. But if you pick the wrong one, which is like 99.9% of the time, most people just end up losing all their money. So it's easy to skew your expectations when you see things just going up while everything else is going sideways like this. But I do think Verasity will have its time in the sun and head up towards its all-time high over the next year or so. Obviously going into alt season as well, I do believe if that is the case, then we'll be heading up past the all-time high and beyond. Everything is going to be sorted out in terms of tokens, etc. So I wouldn't be too concerned. Right now we're just waiting to see what will happen next with Bitcoin.